Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access your recent Facebook activity. So if you're trying to find out information about different things you've liked, commented on, or interacted with recently on Facebook, they make it very easy to find that information out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and then select your user account profile up in the top right. It says account. When you hover over it, left click on that and select settings and privacy, and then select the setting gear icon. And now on the left side underneath accounts center, select password and security, and then select underneath account settings where it says access your information up at the top. Go ahead and left click on that. And then if you go on the left side, it'll show you your recent activity, personal information, as well as connections you've made. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.